The dangers of infinite banking without the right plan. Hi, I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. If you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos. In today's video, we'll talk about how to choose the right kind of whole life insurance for your infinite banking plan and what are the dangers and loopholes that you could get exposed to without the right plan. Let me share with you an interesting story about a 38-year-old CPA who is extremely intelligent, and after studying about infinite banking, she found how this plan can change not only her financial future, but also when she takes it to her existing tax clients, she will become a hero in their eyes. So here we go. While she was checking on some YouTube videos, she came across an ad for infinite banking. First, she saw our ad and she did not know that it's us. But she had an intuition and she was thinking, even though she was ignoring the ad, that she should watch it. When she watched it, she found that it was all about infinite banking, and that propelled her to watch our master class. Now she went crazy and she couldn't wait to have an appointment with us, and she went to several places and nobody could give her an immediate appointment, and she came to us and said that I'm buying a house, so I need to funnel my money through infinite banking as soon as possible. Is it illegal to put a lot of money in it? Does it fall into money laundering? I said, no, it doesn't. She said, okay, can you help me? I need it ASAP. And some of the people that I talked to, they are not taking new appointments. They are booked for the next 2 months. I said, well, because you are a CPA, I'm not looking for one sale. I'm looking for our future relationship, and the mission of our companies is to spread the word about infinite banking. It doesn't matter where people buy the product from. We want to spread it and make it go to the right person. So I said, okay, we're going to take you and do everything in our power to get you in ASAP. And due to the coronavirus, these companies are more flexible these days, and they are even writing some insurance policies without a regular medical exam. In that case, it will be even faster. Choosing the right company. We had the appointment the very next day, and because she is a CPA, so she had so many concerns like, are you guys going to choose the right company for me? We said yes. We have 2 strict criteria, which are that it has to be a mutual company, not a stock company, and it also needs to be a non-direct recognition life insurance company where you will have the full benefit of infinite banking. Choosing the right product. Then she said, how about choosing the right product? We said that is also very crucial depending on your age, health, and time frame. There are many factors in choosing the product. Choosing the right numbers. Lump sum versus per month or per year. Then she said, how about choosing the right numbers, because I have $50,000 that I want to put in there and then turn around and take out as much as possible. So we told her that depending on your health and other things, we can get you anywhere between 60 to 90% access to your money within the next 30 days. Choosing the right time frame. Then she said, how about choosing the time frame about how long should I go for it? We said, you have several choices. You can start with a lump sum, and for the next 5 to 10 years you keep on putting money here and then do anything. You can also do it for the next 20 years and then not do anything, or you can keep on putting money in here for the rest of your life. We'll look at it from different perspectives, different angles, and since you are 38 years old right now, we'll also look at how much money you can get tax-free as a passive income at 65 years old. It will be an extra retirement check for you, and she was happy to hear that. choosing the best tax strategy. Then she said, how about choosing the best tax strategy? And we laid out all the things that Infinite Banking can do for her. And then we said that we don't advise anything about taxes generally. We send our clients to the CPA. But since you are a CPA, we'll tell you what this thing does, and then you'll have to pick out the best strategy for yourself. She said, you just tell me what they are, and then I'll tell you which direction I want to go. Choosing the right health strategy. After choosing all those things, there came a big question, that is the right health strategy. So she had a genetic disease by birth, and that was the biggest problem. In fact, she was turned down by a life insurance company 5 years ago. We told her that this is the big difference between other advisors and us. They are only interested in writing a new policy and less interested in their clients' well-being, and that is where rubber meets the road. We have a mission to spread the word around for Infinite Banking, and it's more than just making money, getting some commission. And so we tell people that when we find that someone has some acute health problem, then before writing the application, we go to the insurance company and talk to the underwriting department and tell them, here is the situation, here are the health problems, will you take them? So they give us a ballpark of what are the chances of the client getting approved, and then we take the application. People don't know that it's like applying for a credit card or auto loan. If one bank declines you, then it brings a red flag for you, and other banks will hesitate to loan you money. It's the same thing here. If one insurance company declines you, then it raises a red flag in their system. And she was shocked. She said, I did not know that. We said it's very important, and before getting into it, those are the things that we do. So she was extremely excited, and because her case was extremely complex, we gave her one of our best advisors who is #1 in the state of Florida and also one of the best in the whole country, who has been doing this thing for the last 40 years. So we gave the agent to her and everything went very smoothly. She was happy. So that's the power of Infinite Banking. Just by funneling your money through a whole life policy, you can increase your returns multifold without risking or gambling with money. So again, remember, regardless if you have any doubts now or you are planning on taking on some loans, we can help you create a plan where you are either taking it over now or building up a plan where you can pay for it in the future. And if you are thinking about using your policy to finance other things, we have created a free guide called Financial Security from Coronavirus, where we share different ideas on how you can utilize your whole life insurance policy. So definitely check out the link below to download your free copy. If you like this video, let us know by liking it and leaving a comment for us. Make sure you share with a friend and subscribe to our channel. And remember, own your tomorrow by converting liabilities into assets.